Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And before we get into the portfolio updates, let's check out the comments from my previous video. I'm glad that a lot of people loved the video, and also it was very encouraging for me to read through those comments. As a small YouTuber just starting out a channel, these comments are really helpful. I would really appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comments, and it helps me create more videos. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. So here is my dividend portfolio in M1 Finance, and the name of it is dividend income. And here you can see that the current value is $4,600, and due to the recent market gain it has increased 4.41%, and the investment gains is around $97.27. This portfolio was started in August 16th of 2019, and I have been investing $100 a week, and past week I have increased it to $200. Here you can see the dividend income of $6.27, and this is coming from the Intel dividends last month. So let's check out the portfolio for more updates. Yeah, there's three stocks that I own currently is AT&T, Intel, and Coca-Cola. So initially I had AT&T and Intel only, but I wanted to diversify and get income throughout the year. So that is the reason I invested in Coca-Cola, which pays a dividend in other month apart from Intel and AT&T. So here you can see that I have tried to allocate 15% in Coca-Cola, and I have invested around $300, and the value is around 320. So it's around 11% gain here. But the more I invest, the more dividends I would get. So currently you could see that I have not got any dividends. So going forward I will be getting dividends from Coca-Cola. So the average price that I have bought Coca-Cola is for $46.07, and I have 6.5 shares of it. The dividend yield of Coca-Cola is $3.28, so I am expecting some good return in the upcoming months. Now let's check out the activity for this month. So in M1 Finance you can select the dividend only, which means it's going to show you only the dividends. And here you could see the $6.27 that got credited on June 1st, which is this month. So last month I got $39.37 from AT&T. And here you could see like December I got Intel, and then I don't have anything in January, and then I go to February, March, and then I don't have any dividends coming in April. So this is the reason I wanted to invest in Coca-Cola. So going forward I would be getting dividends every month. And I'm also thinking of investing in Realty Income, which one of the subscribers suggested me, so that I could get monthly dividends. So I have around $3,000 of AT&T stock, and I'm currently in red in terms of the investment, but I'm really not worried about it because I'm looking at the earned dividends, which is $68.32. So the price of AT&T has increased to $32. So I have around 92.52 shares in AT&T. So here you can see that I have 1249 worth of Intel stock. So this dividend income of 6.27 is coming from the dividends of these stocks. The market gain is around 15%, but it's okay because I'm looking at the dividends rather than the market growth. So I own around 19 shares of Intel right now at the price of $55.5. So the amount that I get from dividend investing gets automatically invested to my portfolio here. And right now I'm looking at increasing my portfolio in Coca-Cola. Right now it's at 6.9%, but my aim is to bring it to around 15%. I think it will be around $700 or $800 in Coca-Cola. And these are the 3 stocks that I own right now. I'm looking forward to add more in the future once I reach the 15% in Coca-Cola. And the first goal that I have currently is to get $50 of dividend income consistently on a monthly basis, and that will actually help me pay my internet bill, which is around $50. So likewise, I am planning to increase my investments to cover all of my expenses, and the first goal would be to start with my internet expenses of $50 per month. So this is the dividends that I get every month, and since I wanted to see the trend of it, I put this into a spreadsheet, and I'm just trying to see how the graphs are looking. And initially in November, you can see that my first AT&T dividend income of $7.93 in 2019, and then in December with Intel as $2, and so on for till last month, which is $6. So I'm actually planning to increase this to $50 to help me increase the dividend portfolio. Here you can notice that the dividend income is consistently increasing, and that is what I am trying to look at, and I want to ensure that I have a consistent income to help me support my financial goals. I hope you liked this video, and let me know if you want me to add any other stocks to my portfolio, and do follow my channel for more updates. Thank you.